In this video, we will detail how to install one of Action Industries' brush seal kits. This installation will be done with cut down 4-foot sections of brush seal kit on a garage door approximately 8 feet by 8 feet. The kits come with our long-lasting flex brushes set inside pre-punched high-strength aluminum retainers with holes approximately 10 inches apart to save you time on your job site. Kits are available in a variety of retainer options. Each kit can be shipped full length at a reasonable rate that we've negotiated with national trusted carriers or cut down to smaller 4 to 5 foot sections to save you even more on shipping. To start, measure the header of the garage door. Next, lay down 2 retainers end to end and mark the length of the header. Then trim off the excess material. Next, install the retainer using the fasteners included in your kit. Start at one end and work your way across the header. Next, measure one side. Take into account the already installed top retainer. Lay the retainers down and mark the length that you just measured. Trim off the excess material. Install the retainer using the fasteners included in your kit. Repeat the same process for the final side. And that completes our brush seal kit installation. Thanks for watching.